Hello students, I am Sridhar. The board is blank. Usually I teach you physics. I say electrostatics, current electricity. Of course, today I was going to start electric effects of current and then electromagnetism. But I want to say something special today. Yesterday, our Prime Minister had spoken about lockdown getting opened. And in some states, the schools have also begun. Like in Uttar Pradesh and Punjab, in some parts it has opened. Now, as an educator, as a principal of a school, and as a citizen of this nation, I wanted to say something to you, which is very, very, very important. The coronavirus, COVID, we call it 19. You have to remember, the month of March, at that time, how much we were worried. The lockdown was brought and we assumed that things will get opened up soon. We said India temperature is different and it will not have any problem, and so many things we heard. But we have seen right from month of April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months we could not do much things. And why? If coronavirus was just a flu or just a fever, it would have been different. You have seen in countries like America and in England or in Italy or other countries, so many people have died, right? So that means coronavirus is not some joke and we cannot take it for granted. That's what our Prime Minister, when he spoke yesterday, he said some points very saliently because schools are opening now. Sooner and sooner, other states also will open the schools. If we are careless, if we are taking things for granted, it's all okay, it is not okay. You have to remember, some points I would like to tell you. I am an educator first. I am a teacher first. And then only whatever other things are about. So, I want to tell you some points which the Prime Minister spoke yesterday. We should not let situation go out of control. How can it go out of control? If we are careless, it will go out of control. Right? Now, we cannot be careless till we get final success. You all know that for coronavirus, as for now, there is no vaccine. Till a vaccine comes and everybody is able to avail it, till then, we need to be very, 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 very careful. Next, don't assume that corona is gone, lockdown is gone, does not mean corona has gone. Please be very careful. Next, by not wearing mask, you are putting others at risk. You have to remember very, very clearly. Now, I am shooting this video, but I have mask. This room is empty. No one is here. So, I am not wearing the mask. Otherwise, I wear the mask. And see that you wear the mask properly. That is very, 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 very important. For now, for shooting the video, I don't require, and I am far away from people. And also you have to remember something called physical distancing. It is not actually social distancing. You are all having contact with people. You are talking to people by mobile and you are having video conferencing and you are having, for example, classes, Zoom classes. You may have Google classes, but that is, you are connected socially. You are with everybody, but physical distancing is one of the most important thing. A minimum of 6 feet is compulsory. You have to follow, right? And more than that is also good. because again I'm saying schools are going to reopen, so we need to be careful. We cannot experiment. Small negligence can ruin our fight against virus. Small negligence. One day, it's okay. No, it's not okay. 1 minute, it's not okay. It is not okay at all at any time till we get a vaccine. Until we are able to get the vaccine done on us. That means able to have the vaccine. Yeah. So then we are a little bit safer from the so-called coronavirus. And our Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi, says, don't take COVID lightly till we have vaccine. Don't take it lightly, because we have seen people are dying. People are having problems. You see big people like singers, actors, so many people. Once they get it and it goes out of control, they are dead and gone. Right? So we cannot be negligent. We cannot take it lightly. Now, also our Prime Minister says, we have seen many videos of people being careless. Remember, you cannot do anything if you do not have self-control. Self-control is very important. You don't need a camera to watch you. You need someone to say, don't do this, wear the mask, keep physical distancing, wash your hands. No, we can't go on doing like that. A country like India, which has billions of people, both educated and uneducated, and semi-educated. The problem is not with uneducated, and also is not with the educated. The so-called semi-educated, we assume, okay, it's okay. What is this? We see the TV, we know the consequences, and yet we do not follow. Please do not be semi-educated. It is better to be illiterate, or it is better to be educated. Don't be in between. That's most dangerous. Right? Social distancing, hand wash with soap and mask is a must. Right? Social distancing, washing your hands, don't touch the rails, don't touch the walls, you don't touch anything. Carry a small bottle of sanitizer with you. Right? Soap is provided in the school, that also you can use it. So you should be very careful, because without you, without the students, there is no school. A school without students is just an impossibility. Students only make the school. School is just a physical structure. But if you take more broadly, the school is because of children. And because of children, we are here as teachers. So you remember that everything is interconnected, right? We all are interconnected. Your parents and you are all their children. Because of that, school is there. Because of the school, teachers are there, and the management is there, and all of them form a big circle. It's a big circle, right? So do not take risk with coronavirus, right? COVID-19. Yeah, we are in 2020. Yeah, one of the wonderful years we ever thought of, but unfortunately it has gone in a different way. But still, as we know very well that in India the death rate is quite less compared to other countries. So that is one positive thing, and we are also taking precautions and all the precautionary measures, and you are staying safe. And 6 months have passed. Always remember March when it came, and after that April lockdown, May lockdown, June, July, August, September, October. Now we have come to October, 21st October, we are reached here. Okay, so I feel that one should be very careful. I can talk to you about magnetic effects of current, and more than that, life is important. I am not talking to you about IIT, I'm not talking to you about NEET exam, and I'm not talking to you about board exam. They all will come. They all will go. So many people have written board exams. So many people have passed out of IIT. So many people have written NEET examination. So many people have become doctors. So these are all a process. If you don't become an engineer, you may become something else. You don't become a doctor, you will become something else. You are destined to become something. You are unique. You are unique. You are created something special. But that inner potential, that speciality, that has to come from you. You have to explore that. When you explore the different possibilities, naturally, somewhere you will reach in some good position. Remember, today, think of March, April, and think of now October. Now festivals are coming, Navaratri is going on, now Deepavali will come, and if we all get together, yes, there will be a second wave, and nobody can save us because there is no vaccine. Till the vaccine is going to come into use and application, and it has been tested and tried, I think as a responsible citizens of this nation, this country, we need to be very, 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 very careful. Not only that, because of us, somebody else should not be affected. Think of the nurses and doctors and healthcare workers, how much they are struggling day in and day out. They are seeing the patients, and the whole country, the whole, for that matter, the whole international community is in lot of trouble. I think we all will be sensible and careful citizens of this country and come out of this in a successful way and lead our life. And what we call now, this particular time, and this is called, actually, it is not normal, it is called new normal. It is called new normal. You don't have face-to-face classes. Yes, no problem. We have online classes. Yes, you have WhatsApp, and you have other type of classes. You have videos. Yes, we are shooting videos and you are watching videos. YouTube channels are there. Classes are there. You attend. Yes, that process will go on in one side, and we should protect ourselves and we should take care of others, and we have to be very, 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 very careful till the whole problem settles down and we are free and able to live life back in normal. Till then, this is called new normal. This is called new normal. Something different, different procedures, right? Like wearing mask and social distancing and keeping ourselves safe. So, with that, now I am going to conclude this point. I am wearing my mask now. Yes, I may not be audible to you so well. It's okay. I want you, all of us, to be safe and we are healthy and able to overcome this epidemic in a most successful way. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.